Hola, Señora Vaz here with your instructions for today. Today we're starting with our new chapter. The introduction for the new chapter, chapter 1b, is our next chapter in the book. And your first activity, actividad inicial, is right here. It's related still to the vocabulary that we saw last unit. You just need to complete the answers using a mí también or a mí tampoco. So that's all you have to do there. Then we're going to the next activity. That is to copy the notes for today. It's about adjectives. Remember that it's very important that you have your notes in your notebook, so you have them handy when you need them. So these are the notes you're going to copy today in your notebook with the chart and all the examples and everything. Then you're going to watch this video. We're going to watch it together in class. It's about the grammar part, about adjectives. We watched that in class. And then you're going to complete the ed puzzle. The ed puzzle for today is about adjectives. So you just need to play your video and then you answer the questions. You are familiar with that activity too. You have any questions, just let me know. And there's a homework right here. So when you click here, it takes you to an assignment. That is a homework. I left an example how I want you to record. Do you record it? And here's the requirements for your recording. So you need to write here, let's see, right here where it says media recording, you are going to record your message, your voicemail. That's all you have to do today. I put right here resources that you may need, like the vocabulary, the new vocabulary, vocabulary 3, and then the slides for vocabulary 3, and then also the Quizlet 3, so you can practice the vocabulary. So that's all you have to do for today. As usual, if you have any questions, let me know. Nos vemos. Adiós.